How's everyone feel?
Fine.
Cold? Is it okay? Should we try a different place?
Yeah.
Maybe upstairs? And then come across and back down to where we were before.
Can you go further that way?
Yeah, you can go.
There is sort of toilets and there is another
Where's the toilet?
There's a little room around there.
Do you want to go to the little room?
Yeah, okay,
You've been in there, have you?
Should we go to the keys in? This is the one from Wake Around,
Not
No, it's
really, no.
If you come near this way right, you can set it off, which shows which way to go. And then you go. This way, so you can go out. Toilet. Nice. That's the shower. Wow.
Take a leak.
This is the ladies' bit.